Welcome friends, you are watching the Linux for You YouTube channel. My name is Shujil Sharma and today's topic is how to configure the Postfix Mail Server. So this is the important topic in the RHCSA exam. So imagine you are sitting in the RHCSA exam and you are asked to configure the Postfix Mail Server that can send the mail locally between the users, right? So some students are thinking that this topic is tough, but it is very easy topic. So see that how I can set up this in few minutes and testing, troubleshooting and enabling the postfix in the firewall also. So we are helping students by making these videos to pass the exam. So please subscribe and like my videos, right? So let's go to the RHEL 10 machine. So first we need to install the required package for postfix mail server, right? So sudo dnf install postfix. Another package you have to install because we have to run a command mail, so that package we should need, right? So these two packages you need to install, right? Now you can see the package installation is completed. After that we have to verify the package is installed correctly or not, right? Now the package is installed, right? So now we are going to change the configuration of the main file of the postfix mail server, right? So first we are changing the main file sudo vim etc postfix main.cf, right? So this is the main file we have to edit. So edit it carefully, right? So first we need to edit some lines I'm telling you. The first we have to go to the line 132, right? So in this line we have to change something here. First remove the hash, uncomment this line and remove all, and in place of this add the option loopback hyphen only, because it is the only the local mail server we are setting up, that is necessary. Next is line number 135. Next line is 135. In line number 135 you have to comment this line. It means you have to add a hash in front of this line, right? After that you have to go to the line number 94. 94. In the 94 uncomment this line first and enter your host name. What host name you are setting on this server you have to enter it. So in my case www.linux4u.com. So this host name must match to your this machine host name. So the host name is setting, and after that you have to edit another line, that is 183. 183. In 183 you have to edit something here. See carefully. So you have to enter here, remove this word $my domain, right? So this word I will remove, and I will add here localhost dot local domain, right? So this line should be like that, right? So this way we have editing some lines inside the main configuration file. Now saving and exiting this file, right? After editing these configurations, we have to check that our syntax is okay or not. So check the syntax. by the command sudo postfix. It is not showing the error. It means everything is fine. I have edited all line carefully, right? After that, we have to enable the main service of the postfix mail server, and that is how you enable sudo systemctl enable 551 now, and the service name is postfix. So this way you are enabling the service and starting the service, right? So I will show you the status, how you can see the status of this service by the command status, right? Now you can see the service is running very well and it is active, right? So that is necessary. After editing this file and enabling the services, we can verify that my postfix is listening on port number 25 or not. So let's see. Sudo ss add the options here, grep colon 25. So by the command I can see that my postfix service is running at a low back level, this local level, right? So this way you are having the expected output, right? So service is running well on the port number 25. Now I'm going to create a user. Sudo user add. My username will be student, and setting the password of this user. This way. Now the user password is set, right? If everything is working fine, then this mail server will be able to send the mail locally between the users, right? So I am giving a command to you that how you can test. So the command is echo and what you want to write. So this mail will be delivered to the student, right? Pipeline mail hyphen s. So mail is a command, and the subject line is this, right? And this mail will be delivered to which user? Student user. So this way I am sending the mail from Sham user to the student user, right? So if this mail is delivered, then my local SMTP server, my local postfix server is running well. So how you can check the mail if the mail is delivered? So how the user student will read this mail? So first you have to log in like a student user. So as a student user, you are login with the help of this command. Now you are a student. Enter your password. After that, you want to read the mail. So you have to run the command mail. Now you can see there is a one mail that have came from the Sham user with the subject line this. So if you want to read this mail, you have to see the mail number is 1. So you have to enter the number 1 and enter. Now you can read this mail. So this mail is going to the student user. The subject name is pass RHCSA, and what I written here you can see there. So my mail is successful delivered to the student user. My Postfix mail server is running well, right? So now you have to quit from here. So Q. Now exit from this user. So the lab is tested well. After that, some more things I'm telling you. If you want to see the log record of Postfix service, so you have to run the command sudo tail-f var log mail log. So you can see the log record of this service, right? If anything is happening wrong, you can check here, right? But from here, Control C. Suppose you want to check the queue. So the command is mail queue. Suppose your mail is not delivering, so you can run the command sudo post queue -f. So immediately all mail will be delivered in the queue, right? And suppose the RHCSA exam is asking you to enable this service in firewall. Actually, it is not required for this lab because we are locally testing the email. But in the exam, it is asking that allow this service, allow the postfix mail service in the firewall. Then you can run the command sudo firewall-cmd -add service SMTP permanently. So you are allowing the postfix mail server SMTP service permanently, and now reload the firewall, right? If you want to verify that the service is allowed or not, I'm giving the command. So we are helping students by making these videos. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. So regularly I'm uploading the one video. So how you can check firewall cmd list services. So by this command you can verify. Yes, SMTP is allowed. Here you can see. So SMTP is allowed in the firewall, right? So this was the lab how to set up the Postfix mail server. So stay tuned for these kind of the labs. Daily I'm uploading one video to pass the RHCSA exam. So stay tuned and share this channel to the required person, your friends. Thank you very much for watching.